video, I'll be showing you how to make a button that opens the door when pressed. Pretty simple. So open your Unity scene. Make sure that you have, obviously, the stress level 0 extended SDK. So I'll link videos in the description on how to download that. So you download that first, import all those SDK stuff that you need, and yeah, let's start. So first, I'm gonna make a quick area. So it's gonna be a level. Just delete the main camera out of your scene. This is a plane. This is gonna be the platform that we're gonna stand on. I'm gonna create an empty game object, which is just clicking here, empty. I'm gonna name it player marker. Okay, cool. And add the player marker script. This will be where our character spawns in. And don't put it in the ground. Put it right above, I'd say. Okay, so now we got that. Let's start making our door. So let's just let's create some cubes. This will be our door. We're gonna name it door. Okay. Okay, you see I have a door created. Also, you're gonna need to download the button prefab, which I'll have in the link description below. Just download that also. So let's get our button in. Yeah, let's do that. Search button. You're gonna see floor button. Okay. So let's begin with this. So this is the door. Add an animator component to it. Just type in animator, and you have that. Don't worry about all this. Just all load in. So, jeez. Okay, so you have your button. The main thing that we're gonna be using is the button trigger zone. That's where all the events are going to happen. You can see where the audio is already. Okay, one thing that is weird with the button that you're gonna have to do is, so if you have a regular, like just a regular button, the trigger zone will be right here, like where my cursor is, right? And the weird thing is when you join, it will trigger without you even clicking the button or anything. So that will make the animation play, like thus removing any purpose. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that the circle isn't inside here and just where I had it. You know? Let me see if I get a better view. So you see where it is? This is the perfect spot because it will not trigger it as soon as you join. So make sure to unpack it completely. Unpack that. And then let's get started. So first you want to go to this, and you should have the animator tabs open down here or wherever. If you don't, you can go up here, window, and animator should be there. Animation. Make sure you have the animation and animator tab open. Cool. Now, I want to go to animation. You can see to begin animated or create an animation. Click. I'm going to make a new animation. You can name it door open. Okay. So now we have this. Now to start animating, which is moving the door, you want to do right here. Now it's recording every move. I like to go to 25 seconds in. Go that to there, and then click that. Bam. See, that would be our animation that we'll have. Now we have the animation. We also want to go into our animator tab. So you see this here. We have door open, our entry to door open. This is our animation. What you want to do is you want to right click here, create state, create an empty. Then you want to make set layers default. So we have this now. Then you want to make a transition that goes to door open. Okay, once you have that, we're gonna go to parameters here, and then we're gonna make a bool. Name the bool button trigger. Don't worry about you don't have to check it. Don't check it. Leave it false. Okay, now we're on our transition state. We're gonna add conditions. And we say button trigger needs to be true, because we're gonna make the bool true by clicking the button, which will then make the animation play because the button trigger is true. Okay, so now that we have that, everything all set up, animation. But one more thing. So you want to find your animation. this case it's door open, whatever name it is. Sponge, because this is. Make sure that the loop time, there's no loop. You don't want it to loop. So leave that there. Okay, cool. Now that you got that, you want to go to your button. Go to the button trigger zone. And the trigger enter event, make a new one. Button trigger, and put your door in it. Now, go to the animator, and then scroll down till you see play. See play? Do void play, string, and state name. Okay, now that you have that, what I like to do, I don't even know if this is the right way to do it, is you're supposed to name the state name, the animation name. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but I just do it. So we're gonna name it door open. Okay, so then you're gonna make another one. You can do the door again. Go to animator, and then what you want to do is you want to go to animator, and then you want to go to set bool, and then set bool string name bool value. So you want to put the name here, button trigger of our bool value that we created before. You want to set it to true, because once you press the button, it will be true. Now, it should work. One more thing. So, if you want to import it to your game, you obviously have that player marker. And what you want to do is you want to go stress level 0, void tools, asset warehouse. You see all your, it'll be a tab that will pop up, you'll see. And then what you want to do, you want to go to your assets. Here, you're going to do a new palette. And we're going to do, and it's author, so I'm airsoft, destroyer. And then palette title, we just do door tutorial. Great. Now you should see door tutorial. So now you wanna add crates. Crate menu, click on your crate. Add crate. Make sure it's a level crate, and then you want to find your scene. What I did, do a tutorial. Door tutorial. I got my scene right here. So you got the crate title and all that. Great. This is your level now. Then what you want to do is you want to pack for PC. Shouldn't take too long. Well, it depends on your map. So just wait for that to happen. So once you get it, you'll get your file and stuff. Obviously, just install how you install a normal mod. And I'll show you a clip of the door. Now. Okay, so now that you have the basics down with all this, I think I should go more in depth in the different types of doors, I guess. So if you wanted to make a door where it would open right when you're pressing the button, and then close when you're not pressing it, it's pretty simple. So what you want to do is you'd have to make a door, like a door close animation, right? So let's get this here. This is the door close, right? So what you'd want to do is you want to make a transition, and then make sure conditions false, and make transition back to there. Okay, so you have a whole little cycle. So it'll open, then it'll close. What you want to do is you want to go to your trigger zone, and you have the door animator, you have the door, you have both these, right? Make 2 here, then go to your animator, go to see play, string state name, and you name it your animation name, tutorial close, door, your animator, set bool, string name, you want to name it your bool, which is button trigger, and then you want to just leave that there. Right, so now you'll press it, the enter event, you'll press it, the bool value is true, so the door will open. And then once you release it, exit, play, and then the bool value will be false, thus making the transition able to go to door close. So that's how you do that. And I think that's it for doors. I mean, I plan on doing more guides, like weapon, melee guides. So, yeah, you should subscribe. And Lava Gang heading out.